Hello dear children, welcome to today's class. Let us continue with the first chapter, geometrical constructions. So children, get ready with your textbook, notebook and geometry box. In the previous part of our videos, you have learnt about congruency of angles. Today we are going to learn about congruency of circles. Let us do an activity. Observe the circles in the figures above. Draw similar circles of radii 1 cm, 2 cm, 1 cm and 1.3 cm on a paper and cut out this circular disc. Place them one upon the other to find out which ones coincide exactly. See children, here the circles are given in front of you. So you have to draw similar circles on one sheet of paper with the same radii given over here. The first one of 1 cm, the another one of 2 cm, then the next one of 1 cm and 1.3 cm. After drawing these circles on the sheet, you have to cut them. And then we will try to put the circles one upon the other and we will find whether they will coincide exactly or not. So after cutting, when you will put the circle in figure A over the circle in figure B, you will find that these two will not coincide exactly. Now when you will put circle in figure A over the circle in figure C, you will find that these two circles will coincide exactly with each other. Similarly, when you will put circle in figure A on circle in figure D, again they will not coincide. And if you put circle in figure B on circle in figure C, again they will not coincide. Also, circle in figure B will not coincide with circle in figure D. And circle in figure C and circle in figure D will also not coincide here. So here you will find that only circles in figure A and C will coincide with each other exactly, whereas no other pair of circles you will get which coincides exactly. So here we will write the observation. The circles in figure A and figure C coincide, whereas circles in figure B and C and in figure A and D do not coincide. So what conclusion we will make here? Circles which coincide exactly are said to be congruent circles. Now let us do another activity. Get bangles of different sizes but equal thickness and find the congruent ones among them. So children, you have to do this activity at home. You can take bangles at your place and see the thickness of the bangle. It should be equal and then find the congruent bangles among them. Then the next activity, find congruent circles in your surrounding. See, we find many things around in a surrounding which are circular in shape. So you get them and find the congruent circles among them. The next activity, take some round bowls and plates, place their edges one upon the other to find the pair of congruent edges. See, at everyone's place, you can find round bowls and plates. So again, you have to put one upon the other and find the pairs of congruent circles here. So from the above discussion, we come to know that circles of equal radii are congruent circles. So the first definition we saw is, when the two circles coincide exactly with each other, they are congruent. Also, circles with equal radii are congruent circles. Children, we have completed our lesson here. Everyone will complete their copies till here. I can ask for the copies anytime, so you have to keep your copies updated. Thank you.